Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about sound and speaker problem in your Redmi 10 and 10 Prime. So firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. So if you are having any sound or speaker issue in your Redmi 10 or 10 Prime, you can solve it by the method as I am showing in this video. Just watch a complete video and follow each and every step as I am showing.